Hello, classmates. It's Lavita Payton again, and I'm here doing the video challenge 2.1. And to begin, I'd like to discuss and define participatory learning. I wasn't quite sure what it was, so I'll start with right here. As you can see, the Online Journal of Science and Technology, January 2016, Volume 6, Issue 1, states that participatory teaching approach is a form of a reflective teaching approach which is sometimes termed as interactive teaching method or learner-centered teaching model. Also, it further mentions that participatory methods expect a high degree of activity and personal involvement of participants in the learning process. They are designed only for smaller groups of participants, but their advantage is that they encourage better retention of learned. My two texts that I chose for nursing are Virtual Reality Training Tool for Nurses and Nursing Simulation Labs. And for this particular challenge, I also am required to show you a reference and relation. So I just want to show you right here the citation right here, APA, of this article, Evaluating Competence and Confidence Using Simulation Technology, which came from a nursing magazine. This closely relates to how nurses learn in a sim lab, which, as you can see here, it reduces clinical errors and improves practice. And simulation provides realistic, student-centered learning opportunities. Deliberate practice is the process of training students to perform specific tasks repetitively with immediate feedback to further improve those skills. So basically, a simulation lab is going to allow a nurse to practice on a mannequin as opposed to a real individual where they can afford to make mistakes. And a real person, actually, that we do not have that opportunity, so they can practice CPR, they can practice giving medications, and we can give them a real feedback and evaluation of what they're doing and not necessarily fear and error. I'm going to show you a quick snippet of a simulation nursing lab at UCLA. I'll add the link so you can watch the whole thing. And the benefits of having a virtual reality program is that the students have access to it either at home or in the lab. It also provides many clinical scenarios and offers the opportunity of learning. Here behind me, once again, is another video, a brief video about the VR training tool for nurses. So in closing, those are my two texts, Virtual Reality and Simulation Lab. I've never actually personally taught any of them. I have been a participant in a simulation lab scenario and a mixed virtual reality, and it was quite helpful for me. So I would definitely like to use this technology for my students in the future.